Think about the meals you use oil for. Obviously, you want your food to taste nice and also be the best it can be for your health. Unfortunately, oils that are not organic can actually be very bad for your health. Non-organic crops that are used to make cooking oil have been sprayed with chemicals. When the oil is extracted, the chemicals are not removed. Sadly, as these chemicals build up on our bodies, it can affect our brain, making us anxious or depressed. Small amounts of these chemicals can affect your health, particularly children's health, so it makes sense to cook with organic oil. In the video today, we will discuss the benefits of organic cooking oil. Let's begin with your skin. Every single cell in every single organ of your body has a skin, or membrane. That skin is made up of something called lipids, which are what fats and oils are made of. To keep all these cells healthy and working well, you need to eat fats and oils. If those oils are completely natural, the body doesn't have to worry about anything nasty in them. The best oil to use is extra virgin olive oil. This means no solvents have been used to get the oil out of the olives. The olives are simply pressed very hard and the oil is squeezed out. People who eat plenty of this oil get ill much less and live longer. Next, coconut oil. This oil can be heated to high temperatures without burning and it keeps for ages. Some cholesterol is good, but coconut oil helps stop bad cholesterol building up and causing strokes or heart attacks. Organic coconut oil is also good at killing the type of bacteria that causes illness. But the bacteria in the gut, which are great for your health, love organic coconut oil. Weight control. Many people associate fats and oils with gaining weight, but the chemicals that are sprayed on the crops to kill pests like insects can also cause you to gain weight. This is because they stop natural chemicals in the body, called hormones, from working properly. Hormones control appetite and the signals that tell your brain if you are hungry or full, so having organic olive oil and coconut oils means your hormones can work properly. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.